we found Tinsel? Tinsel's so silly. She's in your stocking. Is that so goofy? Tinsel! You didn't have her yesterday because you couldn't find her. And that's where she was. Yeah. Can you give her big hugs because you missed her? Good job. And a hug. Give her hugs. Oh, kisses. Mwah. Stop doing that to the camera, silly goose. Are y'all not the way I thought I was going to start? This is not the way I thought I was going to be starting this off at all. Stupid. And Ben's on the phone right now with our landlord. We have carbon monoxide poisoning in this house. Our alarm started going off this morning when Elodie was napping, and I'll explain this more later, but basically Ben got home to check on it. Everyone was just thinking it was a faulty alarm, and then we went to sit in the conservatory while our landlord replaced the monoxide detectors. And the conservatory is her playroom, and we started feeling terrible. Ben started feeling what I was feeling. I almost fainted earlier getting Elodie up from her nap to try to get out of the house, and so we think the carbon monoxide is coming from her playroom. So this has been a crazy turn of events for today. It
may not be carbon monoxide.
What? Then just gas?
It may just be natural gas leaking through somewhere, but I don't know why it would be specifically the conservatory.
Yeah, I felt completely fine until I went into the kitchen and started, because the playroom hasn't been open today, I felt completely fine until I started going into the kitchen. These shoes don't fit her. Oh my god.
Sarah said she'd be there in 5 minutes.
Okay. Try to put Elodie's shoes on to go outside with her and they won't fit her. So you know what? We're going barefoot. You want to go outside barefoot? Yeah, hopefully you don't step on Stella poop. Because she just like wants to get down and run. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get outside. Oh, luckily it's not that cold of a day today, but it's still chilly. I mean, it's really windy. Yeah, you can smell it in there. Ben like ran home from work, and I had my neighbor come over, which was so sweet. And they were just saying, like, I think it's like a faulty alarm, and I was like, I don't think I'm being crazy. Like, I think I smelled it.
You just letting her walk on the grass like that?
Her shoes won't fit on her feet.
So she won't get all wet, soggy?
Getting her in her swing. So yeah,
It's all wet, darling.
Do you want me to get a towel?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So we closed back up the conservatory. Oh, it's overexposed, but the door's closed again. Elodie was napping while this happened. And like when I ran upstairs and I started feeling bad, I ran upstairs to get her up. You can hear her sound when she's still going. And I seriously like almost fainted going up the stairs. Like I could barely make it up. And then when everyone started saying like, oh, I think it's just the faulty alarm, I was like, I don't think I'm crazy. Like I know I was sick and I still am, but I don't think I'm crazy. And sure enough, Ben felt it while our landlord went to get new alarms, because that was what we were gonna try. Sure enough, Ben felt it. So we're staying. Are you yelling at me? You swinging? Is that better?
Hey, you walk in there, you definitely smell it.
I know. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
We thought we were going in there to be safe. Yay! Look how big you are. We got this little swing set in the backyard. Luckily, Elodie seems okay. And when I started getting the symptoms, she was upstairs sleeping in bed. So I think she was fine. Look at that little cheeky smile. Do you like your swing? Good. Did you tell Daddy you found Tinsel this morning? She found Tinsel in her stocking.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You're so cute. What are you doing, Elodie? You eating chocolate? That's her happy I have food dance and sounds.
Where's number 5?
We got these advent calendars for Ben and I. And of course, Ben wants to give his whole advent calendar to Elodie.
We're sharing.
And we've missed like 4 days. So we're waiting on our landlord to come back. We are still not sure what it is. We smelled that in the conservatory. But then our landlord's saying it could be like from the water because there's no gas in the conservatory.
Well, none of these heaters use gas. They use hot water.
They use hot water. And we have radiators.
So, there's no way gas can leak into
The
a
conservatory.
room through the heaters because the heaters only use hot water heated up by the boiler.
Mm-hmm.
The boiler, the only exhaust that comes out is outside. So it's either leaking from the boiler into the kitchen, and then magically osmosis is just transporting into the conservatory, which was all sealed up, which is very unlikely, or it's just the water on the roof that stinks. Like gas.
But you even felt the effects though.
Mm-hmm.
And Ben was like, okay, so like maybe I just needed to eat earlier or something. And I was like, I don't think so because I still haven't eaten and I feel fine.
Maybe I'm just dramatic. I'm a drama queen.
If your family's watching it, they're going to be like, yeah, that's just dramatic.
You called your landlord out for faulty carbon monoxide.
I don't know. She went out to buy like a different alarm to test it again because... Just to make sure, because she brought a new alarm from, like, I guess her parents' house over, and that one went off. I don't know. Hopefully, we're supposed to go to tree lighting tonight on base, which is why I was vlogging today anyways. So, hopefully we can still make it, because I want to go to tree lighting with Elodie. She would love it. But we're waiting on our landlord right now, and I guess we'll have another update then. But, I don't know. It's turned into an interesting day. Okay, we're at base now. We got everything figured out. Yeah, we got it all figured out. Elodie's back there saying hi. But we're going to go to tree lighting. It's like pouring rain out right now, which is great. Of course, this would happen on the night of the tree lighting. That's England for you. So we're gonna go and see what we can do around here with the tree lighting. But luckily, everything with the carbon monoxide stuff is all figured out, and hopefully we won't have any more issues with it. Elodie, can you say hi? Whoa! They had no warning to that.
No, we didn't. No
Typical military style. How cool is that? How cool is that, Elodie? You like it?
Here comes Santa.
Oh, Santa's
That's
coming.
why they were there.
Makes sense now. Santa's coming.
No, he's stopping at the front.
Oh, she's waving hi. Oh my goodness!
Say hi, Santa.
Oh wow!
Whoa.
Are you gonna say hi to Santa tonight? Hi, Santa.
Come on now, Ian.
Elodie, do you see Santa?
Did you see him?
Elodie.
Say hi. Say hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Can you say hi, Santa? Say hi, Santa. Give him a high five.
Aww. Hi, Santa. Oh.
She's watching him closely.
Yeah. You watching Santa?
Yes. And then
Elodie, are you excited to see Santa?
you blow kisses, go mwah.
Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
How big are you?
So big.
You want to see Santa?
Oh gosh.
You
Already.
wanna
You're gonna go see Santa, okay? Are you excited?
Say hi, Santa.
Aww, it's okay. Can you say hi to Mrs. Claus?
Much better.
Aww. Hi. You're okay. Santa Claus. Can you say thank you? Oh my goodness. Yes. Aww.
bye, Santa.
Merry Christmas. High five.
Bye-bye.
Good job. Bye-bye. Thank you, Santa.
Be a big girl. Come on.
You got a toy. So Elodie was totally not for Santa, but we threw him on her anyways. It is so cold out here, and it's been like raining on and off, but it's still kind of fun.
Go Elodie, it's a birthday. Go Elodie, it's a birthday. Nothing? Cool.
So we just got home a little while ago from base. We saw Santa like you saw, and Elodie was like not a fan, which I didn't think she was going to be, but not many kids are a fan of Santa at this age, I feel like, so that was just a must do. I still have to edit my video for y'all for today, Vlogmas Day 6, because it was supposed to be done earlier until we had the whole carbon monoxide meter thing going off, so that like ruined my whole afternoon. So it's gonna get up a little bit later today because of that, but that's okay. Have to go edit that, and then we're just hanging out and chilling from the crazy day. Isn't that right? I love you.
Good job. You want to try another note? Wubsies, bonbons, kitty, where are you? Get them. They're right there.
She's looking at
Bonbons? For you. Kitty? For you. Oh my goodness, and look. Whoopsies! For you! Can you pick them up? There we go. Grab your friends. Now are we ready for bed?
Say goodnight to your friends.
Praise be to...
Say night-night, friends. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah! Kitty cat kiss. Alright, I love you.
Left side, right side. Left side, both sides, just like you said.
Alright, so we're gonna end this vlog right now. Elodie's in bed. We have been up just chilling on the couch, spending time together, doing nothing, really. But we're going to stop.
I'm just trying to get the right angle so we're not hella exposed with the light.
We're always exposed.
Okay, I gotta get down for this. Right, I'm back.
Oh my gosh, okay. Thanks for watching this video. It was so much fun to bring Elodie to see Santa this year. I think we're gonna see him tomorrow also, which I'll vlog that.
Ho, ho, ho.
I'm glad that our house isn't, like, I'm glad everything's okay with
Blown
our house.
up?
Yeah, I'm glad everything's okay with our house now. Super grateful that the alarms worked today.
Boom.
Yeah.
Pass out.
Stop. So thank you for following along with us on this vlog today. If you like this vlog, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're glad everything worked out with the house, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, we'd love to have you, so please make sure to subscribe before you leave. And if you're new, let me know down in the comments so I can say hi to you and welcome you. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7? Wait, no.
God, my arm is getting tired.
8, I think. I think it's 8. Vlogmas Day 8, I believe. No. No. Vlogmas Day 7. It's 7. Oh my gosh. It's 7.
You look tiny when I hold the thing for vlogging.
I know.
You look like a little kid.
I'm like a little shrimp. I'm really not, though. There was a time where, like, I look bigger than you.
You shrimpy back here.
I'm not a shrimpy.
Shrimpy.